Have stubborn belly fat that won't go away? Have you tried various diets but your weight stays the same? Maybe you feel too lazy to go to the gym or don't have enough free time. Listen to this carefully. You don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership that drains your wallet. All you need is one main thing: consistency for the next 30 days. Today, I will provide a complete guide for a full-body workout plan right from home. Imagine yourself 30 days from now with a lighter body and old clothes that fit. Your energy will increase sharply and you'll feel proud looking in the mirror every morning. Are you ready to change your life? Don't skip a single second because this is your key to success. Why 30 days? Scientifically, your body needs time to adapt to new activities. The first week is a mental challenge. The second week is when muscle memory formation begins. The third and fourth weeks are when fat really starts to burn as energy fuel. This workout uses a beginner version of the HIIT method designed specifically to trigger the afterburn effect. Even though you've finished exercising and are lying down, your body continues to burn calories. We will train large muscles like the legs, back, chest, and also your core. The more muscles involved, the more calories will be burned. We don't just want to be thin, we want to have a toned, strong, and healthy body. This video is your roadmap to a successful permanent physical transformation. I will guide you from correct movements to the weekly schedule that must be followed. Prepare drinking water and a mat if available. Most importantly, prepare your strong intention. We start now. The first movement is jumping jacks for warm-up and cardio. Stand tall. Jump while opening your legs and clapping your hands above your head. Important point: don't land hard. Use the balls of your feet to protect your knees. Do this for 45 seconds to boost your heart rate and blood flow. Feel the blood flow starting and your body beginning to feel warm and ready. The second movement is bodyweight squats. The largest muscles are in your legs. Train them now. Chest out and lower your hips as if you want to sit in an invisible chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes and keep your back straight. Push through your heels as you come back up. Don't let your back hunch. If you're a beginner, don't go too deep yet. Just progress according to your ability. Third movement, push-ups. We start with knee push-ups, which are easier for beginners. Place your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Lower your chest until it almost touches the floor. Keep your core tight. Don't let your waist sag down while doing the movement. This will train your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Quality is more important than quantity of repetitions. Remember to always regulate your breath. Exhale as you push your body back up. The fourth movement is mountain climbers. This is my favorite for flattening a bloated belly. Pull your right knee toward your chest alternately with your left knee quickly. Keep your hips from rising too high. Stay level with your shoulder line. Imagine you're climbing a mountain horizontally. Feel your abs start to burn. Do it with high intensity if you want maximum calorie burning results. The fifth movement is the plank. This is the key to stability and core muscle formation. Support on your forearms and toes. Your body should form a perfect straight line. Don't hold your breath. Breathe regularly even though your abdominal muscles feel very tight. Tighten your glutes and abs. Hold for 30 seconds at the start of your journey. Plank is not about how long you hold, but how correct your posture is. Now let's discuss common mistakes. Don't let yourself make these classic errors. The first mistake is ego lifting, moving too fast with messy technique. The result? Instead of losing fat, an injury will come your way. Focus on the form. Slow but correct is much better than fast but wrong. Second mistake, forgetting warm-up and cool-down. Your muscles are like cold rubber. Always warm up for at least 5 minutes. And don't forget to cool down so you don't get stiff. Third mistake, not watching your diet. Exercise cannot fight a bad diet. Increase your protein intake, reduce added sugar, and drink plenty of water. Remember, training is done on the floor, but real results are shaped in your kitchen. Fourth mistake, lack of sleep. Your muscles grow and fat burns while you sleep. Make sure to sleep 7 to 8 hours every night for maximum body recovery. Now the most important part, the 30-day schedule plan. Please screenshot this part. The first week is the foundation. Do 3 sets of the 5 movements taught earlier. Duration, 30 seconds of exercise, 30 seconds of rest. Do it 3 times a week. Second week, building momentum. Increase to 4 sets with shorter rest times. Third week, maximum burning. Do 5 sets with 45 seconds of exercise. Fourth week, the final challenge. Do a circuit format without rest between movements. Remember, consistency is key. Don't skip a single day of your own schedule. If you feel tired, reduce the intensity but never stop this program entirely. 30 days. That's all I'm asking for. Time will keep moving. Do you want to spend it with excuses or with real change? Write in the comments, I start today as a promise to yourself. I want to see who dares to take on this big challenge right now. If this video is helpful, please click the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next health tips. Invite family or friends to live healthy with you to stay more motivated. Thank you for watching until the end. Enjoy your workout and stay motivated. See you in the next video. I'm sure you can do it. Don't forget to document your progress every day for extra motivation. Every drop of sweat is proof of your struggle toward the best version of yourself. See you on day 30 with amazing results. Keep it up.